right, YouTube, how you doing, ladies and gentlemen? How you doing? So I went out today and decided to do a little fishing before it started raining this afternoon or this evening. I went out and I went to a couple spots that I wanted to go and fish to see if I wanted to fish for gills and bass. So I ended up getting a crappie. I ended up getting some mudcats, which was kind of weird. A bass and a couple bluegills. So this is gonna be a short video because once it started lightning, and once it started lightning, I was up out of there. So I was on out there for like 45 minutes. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Real short, probably no more than probably about like 8 minutes. And then I'm hoping this weekend, if we don't get no rain for the week, tomorrow is Thursday, it's almost here. So if we don't get no rain, nothing like that, I do want to get on my urban canals again. But if it rains where I park at, it gets real muddy. I can't get down there. You get stuck in your truck. If not, then I'm thinking about trying Lake Louisville. It's one of these parks out there that you got a boat ramp, and I'm thinking about trying some rocks, some boulders that goes into the water. So I'm thinking about trying some crappies right there, or maybe some bass or catfish is hanging out over there. So we'll see. But you guys enjoy the video. Y'all stay blessed, stay safe, and we'll keep content coming this weekend. So y'all have a good one. Let's get this video started. 1, 2, 3. Little bitty crappie, you guys. I'm talking about a little bitty crappie. I'm kind of ashamed to show you guys that. Got one. Little bluegill you got on the road runner. There we go. Nice one. Very pretty. Very pretty. Little gill. It's a male bluegill there. Alright, so now that I know they are, I'm gonna start tipping it, give it a little flavor so I can up the count. I got one. Probably a bass. Catfish. Maybe they're spawning. I've been catching a lot of these. Actually, right up close too. He almost got me. That sucker almost got me. Oh, you trying to be sneaky, huh? You almost got me though. There you go. That joker almost got me. Got something. Another one of them catfish, you guys. So yeah, these things are most definitely probably spawning up close. And I hate that they are biting because I ain't got no pliers. And these little ones is the ones that'll get you. I just have to touch it. Yeah. Calm down. Calm down. Get him up under the belly. There you go. All right, maybe I found the spot right down here. Got another one. This is Mudcat Day. I'm bringing you guys a Mudcat video. Wow, first time ever. Catch this many. Put them upside down like that. Or I can just make them kind of calm down. Get them close like this. Bring that hook out like that. Toss them back like that. You see how when you throw them back, how they start flapping fast? They ain't like the China cat and stuff. They'll get you. I'm gonna go get you. All right, guys, I decided to come down this way and see if I can get me anything. I'll just leave this right here. I think I'm gonna start off over here, casting out. Just ain't big enough to get it. I was trying to see if I can get a bass. Got something, you guys. Probably a bass. Yep, little bass. This old 6-pound test line. That joke was digging too to be little. I'm talking about making some noise, you guys. To be little. He felt like he was about 2 pounds. He took about a pound. He felt like he was about a 2-pound bass. This gonna be a big boy. He's healthy though. That joker healthy. Pretty little bass. I swear, I mean, he felt like he was a big old bass. There we go, got another one. Jumping out there in their mouth, you guys. This is a good bluegill right here. Or a decent one, you know, for out here. There you go, you see it? It's a pretty thick one. Well, that's a good one. Right here. That's what I'm getting on, that Road Runner. They've been doing a job for me for the last, probably what you guys know, about 2 or 3 weeks. Getting a multi-species, crappies, bluegill, bass. I missed that one big catfish that one time, a couple actually. I actually missed a couple big catfish on my urban canals that I was fishing. Let me get back out there, put that crappie bite on, see if that'll get them. Come on, it's dropping right in their mouth. Look at that, something hit it just then. Look at that, ooh. I guarantee that, ooh, it's lightning down that way. Come this way, oh, it ain't gone. They come this way, I'm about to go, you guys. They wait out there. Look at that line, man. Ooh, if I had some worms, you guys. It'll be going up under every time. If I had some worms, I promise you. This might get cut short just because them clouds are starting to come this way. There we go, got another one. This one right here is a good bluegill too. Real good one actually. They all good out there. Right here. Ooh, it's a pretty one. Look at that thick. Look at that thick boy. For the Louisville Canal. Look at that thick boy. Thick. Solid. Man, that is a thick male bluegill. Okay. All right, I might be coming back to give me some of those to eat this weekend.